Cockroach Janta Party has officially called off its protest with immediate effect following the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, whose resignation had been the group's primary demand over the NEET question paper leak controversy. The announcement was made during a joint press conference in New Delhi, where CJP spokespersons Saurav Das and Ashutosh Ranka appeared alongside Union Ministers JP Nadda and Jitendra Singh. According to the CJP leadership, the protest was withdrawn in good faith after the government assured them that their remaining demands would also be fulfilled. In addition to Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation, the government reportedly assured the CJP that police cases registered against students would be withdrawn, no action would be taken against them in the future, and the maximum compensation permissible under the rules and regulations would be provided to the families of students who died by suicide in connection with the NEET question paper leak. Addressing the media, CJP spokesperson Saurav Das urged all protesters gathered at Delhi's Jantar Mantar to return home, stating that the government had accepted their demands. Ashutosh Ranka stated that the government had accepted all of the CJP's demands after 36 days of continuous protest. He appealed to supporters to peacefully withdraw from all protest sites, adding that the group's demands were not radical but were based on fundamental concerns that had now been addressed. Following the announcement, students and supporters celebrated what they described as a victory for the nationwide protest movement. The demonstrations, which had continued for more than a month, concluded after the government accepted the key demands raised by the protesters, bringing the nationwide agitation to an end. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.